Hello friends, wash brinjal today. Take a bowl, add coriander, garam masala, and add red chili powder 1/4 tablespoon. Add salt according to taste. Toss the brinjal properly. Now take a pan, add brinjal in oil. Let it set for some time. It's cooked. Now let's add few prawns. It's optional. You can avoid it. Now let it fry. Now add one medium-sized onion finely chopped in it. Let it fry a bit. Now add one tomato finely chopped. Add one potato chopped in. Toss the batter well. Let it cook on low flame. If required, add spices more. Add salt according to taste. It's done now. Garnish with coriander leaves before serving. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe my channel.